Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect a domain to Webflow. First, log into your Webflow account and select the project you wish to connect. Go to the project settings, then find the Publishing tab. Here, you will add your custom domain, like your domain. .com. Remember, a paid site plan is necessary to connect a custom domain. This initial step within Webflow prepares your site for the domain connection process. Next, you'll configure your domain's DNS records at your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. You need to add two records with the host at and the IP values 75, 2, 70, 75 and 99, 83, 190, 102. Also, create a CNAME record for the host www with the value proxy SSL, Webflow.com. It is crucial to delete any existing or CNAME records that might conflict with these new settings. After updating your DNS records, head back to your Webflow project settings under the Publishing tab. Click Check Status to verify the connection. Webflow may require a one-time verification using a TXT record. Once verified, set your preferred domain, typically the www version, as the default. Finally, publish your site to the custom domain, making it live for visitors to access. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. If your site isn't loading immediately, be patient. Always double-check your and CNAME records for any small typos. Ensure that SSL is enabled in your Webflow project settings for a secure HTTPS connection. If your domain still isn't connecting after 2 full days, reach out to Webflow's customer support team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.